saw me, then I saw me. All I could be was in your eyes, my reflection, no rejection. Your acceptance brought me back to life. Now the dreams I used to dream are really real. All the doubt of myself I no longer feel. I'm a remnant of my past, but those memories no longer last. The chains that held me fast are broken. I'm free at last. I'm a new kind of creation. It's my realization that my salvation has always been in what I believe. But I am thankful it was you who woke me up and showed me truth. Well, it's up to me to do what I must do. When you saw me, then I saw me. Now I see me